Troubleshooting guide for security alarms. As most alarm systems will vary product to product, please refer firstly to your alarm instruction manual for the quick fix tips. If you cannot locate your manual, try Google searching the brand and model, name or number and see if there is an online version. Troubleshooting malfunctions. If you have a valid code for the system, arm the alarm system and then disarm it again. If you have a valid code for the system and there is a button marked reset, try pressing this button. Try this button both momentarily and pressing and holding for several seconds, as it will vary between systems. Please report issues with your alarm to your property manager. Even if you have been able to temporarily stop the problem, malfunction is often an indication of issues such as low batteries in wireless models or power phone connection problems in hardwired models. Contact your property manager, particularly if there's an ongoing problem with your security alarm.